Hey y'all, what's going on? It's Jeff with Hollow Farms. And we just had, it's gone down a lot, you guys. But boy, we've had a lot of rain. Um, this yard don't hold rain usually like that, but um, it has. It is. We got more coming, boy. We've rained a lot in the last week. Very, very, very wet. But the persimmons are doing good. Beautiful. Got little persimmons on them. Look at that. Isn't that cool? This tree kept about 20, I think we counted. It kept about 20. It's my Nikita's gift. Yeah, wonderful, wonderful fig. But I'm gonna fool you. It didn't fruit this year. I don't know what's going on with it. I gotta investigate a little bit, but it didn't fruit this year. It didn't fruit last year, but I planted it. Anyway, it's had trouble. I gotta do some investigating, but yeah, I'm just seeing how everything took the rain. Got some couple little grapevines going on. This is Flame Seedless Red Grape. It's got a little bunch on them right there. A little bunch. And then this one is this one's a little older. Got a couple little grapes right there. Got a little batch right there. A couple little batches right there. And nice one right there. So I think this is our Niagara. So yeah. Just seeing how the rain did everything. This is some of our okra. Growing a little okra right there, and some of our maters. The maters did good this year too. But yeah, we got some stuff growing on. Yeah. And I got my three sisters. Got my corn and my rattlesnake beans growing at the bottom there. I don't know if y'all can see them winding up. See all their little, you can see all their little tassels and stuff wrapping around the corn and doing that whole thing. And then that's our melons and cantaloupe with a tomato bush in the middle. But yeah, they're all doing really good. Everything's doing good. Everything's growing good. A little apple tree, it's doing good. Beautiful little apple tree. Apples don't do too good here where I'm at. You know, this one's doing okay, but it took a long time. Just didn't want to grow. Had fire blight and all kind of stuff hit it, and it did good. A little lemon fig. Beautiful girl. They're getting a lot of rain. These in-ground trees have had enough. That's crazy to say, but it needs to quit raining for a little while. But yeah, I mean, we needed the rain here where I'm at. We was in a drought, but we've had enough. Beautiful little figs, man. Beautiful little figs. Yeah, I got something going on with this one. That's new. I have to check that out. I don't know what happened, but they looking fairly good. They definitely could use some dry out. But yeah, they're doing great, man. Get this one out the water. But yeah, they look good. They all look good. Oh yeah. Just the leaves on some of them are, you know, not as pretty as I would like them. Well, you could tell them Adriatics, boy, the leaves on them, they just look and feel so different than, you know, say they're so different. They're such a darker green. That's my AJH. But yeah, they looking good. Little pretty trees, man. Oh yeah? He's telling everybody hello. But yeah. Some blueberries. We got all kind of stuff we're growing. We got some more grapes. Some different blackberries we're looking at, trying. Got me an old Joey avocado. Got some cuttings of some different things. Some peaches. 3 more apples. They doing good, man. The apples just don't, we're going to see. Pretty little Celeste right there. Gonna be a pretty little tree. Old plum. Been babying. See the water sitting there? I don't know if you can. Look at it. Yeah, we got too much sitting on them, but not a whole bunch I can do right now. Really. And wet, 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 man. We have got some rain. And we got a lot more coming. I just hope it gives some time in between to I'm walking right past my trees, huh? So we got right here, we got a Genovese Nero. Coming back from the cold dieback. Close to getting pinched. I like to pinch them when they're about like that. I think they do real good. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 7 nodes. Pretty good sized leaf. Yeah, I'll be pinching that thing for long. My Genovese Nero. This is another Celeste. Beautiful little tree. I pinch them. And all these branches come out right where you want them. And if they come out where you don't want them, you cut them off. But do it small, guys. Do it small. Do it while they're small. Is it my Atlanta Wonder? Yeah, my Atlanta Wonder, guys. Got to put another tag on it. That's a pretty cool fig. And we got the one that has not come back yet. I don't even remember what it was. But I got my hardy Sicilian. Beautiful little tree. My hardy Sicilian. This is a tree that I found here close by where I live. Nobody knew what it was. The owner said he's been there 30 years or so, and that tree was there when he got there. So I just called it my Audubon Black. Get some of that out of there. But the skin on these figs, the flesh in these figs turn a real dark purple. And it has like a wine taste. Really good. But yeah, I don't know what it is, and neither did the owner. So who knows what that is, but very good fig. Cold hardy. Malata rule. Pretty little tree. Actually, I got 2 of these I leave right here. That's strange. Look at that leaf. Half and half. Yeah, I know. I gotta give them all some fertilizer and all, but it don't do any good in this rain. Another grape we're growing, Mars. Little video vine, but it decided to put a couple grapes out. Well, I'll let it do it. And yeah, my tiger panache, or panache, however y'all want to say it. Beautiful little tree. Yeah, just doing a little rundown. Alright guys, it's good talking to y'all, and I'll see y'all. It's another unnamed fig. I don't know what that is, but anyway, alright you guys, I'll get back with y'all when this rain and yard dries up some. It's soaking wet everywhere I walk. But yeah, all right, y'all, like, share, subscribe. Just trying to grow some subscribers and some followers and stuff. So yeah, appreciate y'all.